Hello there, my name is JORC. I'm here to tell you how to service your KAPTIV-CS. First, you isolate the drain from the pressurized air system. Press and hold the test to completely empty the drain's reservoir, making sure the drain is safe and depressurized. Unscrew the connector screw to remove the power supply. Use a 5mm Allen key to unscrew the bolts. The drain can now be removed to be serviced. Slide the electronics module up, and loosen the screw. Keep it dry and away from any moisture. Unscrew the valve from the bottom part of the housing using a 23mm wrench. Clean all internal valve parts. Remove the housing gasket. Use a 10mm Allen key to remove the plug and strainer. Clean the strainer thoroughly. Clean the housing and make sure there is no debris left. Place the strainer. Make sure to put it all the way in. Tighten the plug using a 10mm Allen key. Clean and lubricate the housing gasket and make sure it is placed properly to ensure IP65 protection. Place the valve parts and tighten the valve shaft, using a 23mm wrench. Place the electronics module, and tighten the screw. Make sure not to damage the cable. Use a 5mm Allen key to tighten the bolts. Reconnect the power supply, ensuring the gasket is in position between the DIN connector and electronics module. Open the ball valve to release condensate back into the drain. The KAPTIV-CS is now ready to perform again.